magbisikleta, ng magbisikleta, at magbisikleta. Yan ang kakaibang trip ng 76-year-old Italian na si Yanus River. Dating international football at artist manager si River, pero taong 2000, bigla siyang nagdesisyon na libutin ang buong mundo sakay ng bisikleta. At ang mga yaman niya, ibinigay sa charity.
I am only one man in the world history which can go around the world by bicycle. Because I am alone, I cannot go to cemetery to death with all this money in the pocket. I decide, give the money for the orphan.
141 na bansa na ang naikot ni River. Noong isang taon sa Visayas ang naging ruta niya. Luzon at Mindanao naman ang target niya ngayong taon. Kwento ni River, Pilipinas lang ang binalikan niyang bansa kahit pamuntik ng makidnap noon.
Nobody touched me. Only the communists, this rebel, stopped me 3 times in summer. But when they look what I am doing, they see the photo from the newspaper about me. They not only invite me lunch, but they also give me the money.
Sa mga simbahan at seminaryo raw nakikituloy si River, kaya malaki ang pasasalamat niya sa mga taong simbahan. Believe din daw siya sa pananampalataya ng mga Pinoy.
I will dedicate my tour around the Filipino for the Santo Niño, which is the patron of Philippine people also, and dedicate for all Filipino people, which give me the biggest hospitality in the world.
Balak daw magretiro ni River sa pagbibisikleta pagtunton ng edad na 80. Pero ang problema niya,
when I was in Cambodia, they bring me to big monastery. And the old monk, he told me, you will be alive 100 years. And I was very unhappy because what I will be do after this.
Camille Abadisio, News 5.